Okay, we're going to convert decimals to fractions and then simplify them. So you want to take the number that you see after the decimal. So I see a 16. So I'm going to write down 16 with a 1 underneath it. And then you count how many numbers are after your decimal, including any zeros in the front, but it's after the decimal, not in front of the decimal. So I have 3 numbers after the decimal, so you put 3 zeros. Now to simplify, I notice that these are both even numbers, so I can start, since they're both even, just start cutting them in half. So half of 16 is 8, and half of 1,000 is 500. They're still even, so cut in half again. Half of 8 is 4, and half of 500 is 250. They are still even, cut in half again. This is the easiest way to start simplifying. Half of 4 is 2, and half of 250 is 125. 2 and 125 cannot be divided by anything other than 1, so this is the answer. So again, I see a 38 after the decimal, so I write 38 as a fraction with 1 underneath it. There are 2 numbers after my decimal, so I'm going to put 2 zeros. These are both even, so I start cutting them in half. So half of 38 is 19, and half of 100 is 50. 19 is a prime number, so we're done. I see a 15 after the decimal. I write a 1 under it. You always do that. I see 2 numbers after my decimal, so I'm going to put 2 zeros. Now these end in 5 and 0, so I can divide both of them by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 100 divided by 5 is 20, and 320 does not simplify any further.